Greetings, Network Perimeter Security students. This is your professor, Jeff Dunker, and what I'm going to discuss with you today is a little bit about Week 4, which is Lesson 4, Network Security Threats and Issues. That's in your weekly schedule. It's due on 9/25, and it deals with network security threats. And make sure to read up on NIST Special Publication 800-30. How to conduct risk assessments. That's important to a network security specialist in general. So get familiar with that process. So basically, under course content this week, we're going to go under Lesson 4, and you'll see that available right there. And I wanted to make some notes about Lab 3, which is pretty cool. It's configuring a pfSense firewall on a client, and underneath there's, besides the lab assessment worksheet for this week, there's also a spreadsheet file that you're going to have to submit as well. So keep that in mind. I'm going to click on the link for Lab 3, configuring a pfSense firewall on client. I already have it open over here just to give you some idea of what it looks like. So you'll see that there's a spreadsheet on the virtual desktop. That's something that you're going to want to download to your PC and edit. There's two different tabs on the spreadsheet, so keep that in mind. The instructions will show you how to transfer the file to your PC, but it's pretty simple. All you have to do is drag and drop it to the file transfer area, and you'll automatically get a thing in your browser to download. So when you're done, I'm assuming you guys have Excel, and if you don't have Excel on your system, you can use a tool called OpenOffice. You can also use OpenOffice for this. You can download that on your computer. But you should have access to Office 365 essentially for free or close to it as a student. So you keep that in mind. That's an available option. So when I open that spreadsheet up, after I enable editing, you'll get to see the two different tabs. You got the Firewall Rules tab, which you'll have to fill out for what interfaces that you are going to be configuring, what protocol, what type, address, subnet mask. That's information that you'll need to figure out. But then on the physical config, simple things like hostname, what domain, DNS, servers, etc. So when you get done with that spreadsheet at the end of the lab, submit that as part of your assignment in Blackboard. So I'll minimize this screen and go back to the lab. You'll be configuring the pfSense firewall client. And what you'll do is just simply go through the hands-on demonstration, planning, configuring the firewall, etc. So it's a fairly simple lab to go through once you see it. There's lab challenge and questions afterwards. You don't need to submit those, but keep in mind they are a good exercise to go through. So if you have any questions, send me an email, and good luck with the lab this week. Have a good day.